How to choose a cabinet push opener for home use. This is a common cabinet door rebounder, opening and closing without cushioning. No adjustable function. Simple structure. Noise when opening and closing. Annoying slamming noises? Try this upgraded Temax push-to open cabinet door mechanism. Features a quick release function, allowing for easy replacement when needed. Snap-on installation, effortless and simple. Silent motion. Damped closing with 100,000 plus cycles reliability. Adjustable length to fit different cabinet doors. Available in a variety of standard colors. Complete with all accessories. Ready to install upon arrival. Upgrade cabinet doors in seconds. Experience now.